I am back with another video. So we are doing another haul. This time it's a different one. This is Fab Ali. Arey, how do I show you? H&M. Also I have some clothes from Max. I will show you. So let's start with the Max clothes first. So I got this nightwear kind of a thing. Can also be worn as a dress with a belt. I really like this one. So tired I can hardly move. So me. I'm gonna wear this and lie down. Then I haven't opened this. So this is a very printed shirt. I have one from Max that has newspaper print on it. It's beautiful. मेरे पापा को बहुत पसंद है. I went to Delhi and I was wearing it. पापा से अरे नया खरीदी हो? मैं नहीं, पुराना है. तुमने कभी देखा नहीं है. So this is another one of that collection. This is in size. I'll tell you the size. My size in Max is medium. So if you're anywhere near my size, you can get this. Another shirt. I love shirts. There's this textured kind of a shirt. This small because you can see this is a little huge. So I did not go to the Max store. Max is available online now. So I got this from Max. The other thing that I got is my love for cartoons is never getting over. So this is like a cartoon t-shirt. Sorry. There's something seriously wrong with me. Somebody help me. There's like a jacket. It have Mickey Mouse on it. I'm into colors now. I see these vloggers, Instagrammers, YouTubers making videos wearing green jackets, green skirts, green pants, blue, all of that. I don't have them. Now I know I have only black, white, possibly red. That's the most I have. So I've started buying more colors now to make some good videos. It's in the size XL. Always wear loose jackets. I buy jackets in the size जो सबसे बड़ी हो. Also have something from West Side. These are some shorts. I love shorts. West Side के shorts are the best. So I got one because I needed one. मेरे बाकी सारों की तो हालत ऐसी हो उनको पोछा भी नहीं बना सकते हैं. And I got a pair of slippers from mummy. Mummy got the shorts and the slipper. She did not go to the store. She got them home delivered. So I got a pair of slippers. Now I have slippers. So let's open H&M ka thing now. So this is a mock neck t-shirt, black, plain black. I told you I have only black, whites, reds. That's all I have. I love this neck because I don't know why I have an obsession with turtle mock neck since बचपन. पता नहीं क्या है मेरा कुछ obsession है. और बचपन में मेरे को हाई नेक्स पसंद नहीं थे. मम्मी कितना भी बना ले मैं उतार के फेंक देना था. But now I am a lot into them. Next one we have is the same thing in white. The same in white. I told you. Black, white, reds. Don't be surprised अगर इससे red भी बाहर आए तो. So yeah, I am a very predictable person. Okay, the next one I have. Okay, this is a nice one. This is like a tank top, crop top with a knot. I'm gonna wear it घर में क्योंकि बाहर जा नहीं सकते. तो this is my new night suit top. अरे इसको उस शॉर्ट्स के साथ पेयर कर लेंगे. Done. So this is in size. मेरा I think H&M में size is medium. This one I'll open in the end because that is something I ordered because I loved it so much. इसमें ऐसा क्या है कि इतना पैकेट में पैक हो गया है. तिजोरी का सामान है क्या? Oh, this is a set of 2 t-shirts. Again white and black. Please don't be surprised, okay? White and black. कभी किसी ने सोचा था कि मैं वाइट एंड ब्लैक पहनूंगी? मैं never. Finally some colors in life. This is a yellow basic t-shirt, says Athletics Worldwide Sports United the Continents. Okay, Olympics में पहन के जाएंगे इसको. So this is going for night suit again. It was on sale. I think these are all for what? For 400 rupees. These are as good as Shein ka price, but the material is obviously better. So I think this is a good alternative to Shein. So let's just keep things back. Now let's open my favorite thing, the Fab Ali box. Okay, so I'm not gonna try it and show you. You'll see it very soon. You'll see me wearing them very soon. This is a maxi sari. Okay, some new concept I saw. It's a maxi, like a gown thing, but सीधा किधर है? इधर है. Sorry. It's like this. It's a sari thing and it goes around ऐसे ओढ़ने के लिए. How cool is this? Then we found this very well tailored pants. Fab Ali's clothes, if you find your size perfectly, they're the most well tailored clothes you'll find. Okay, and there's a sale going on, so if you want to check out, you can. This flared bottom pant, so well tailored. You're like, we're not gonna miss on this one, we're getting this. पर इसके ऊपर के लिए कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था, but then मिल गया है. Mismatched person tried to match something with this and she did. So this is what we got on top for this. Not the same design though, but the color is same and it goes pretty well. This is a flared top. I think both of them I got for, this was for 400 something rupees and this I think was for 700 something rupees. So 1300 for the set I think is pretty good. Then there's this kurta. So Fab Ali में the bottom का size always please go for either extra small or small. उससे ऊपर, if you're anywhere near my size, you'll have to get it altered then. ये I got it in small. I should have got an XS, but इसमें अब है नहीं, तो the next exchange size that I'm getting is medium, so I'll probably get this altered a little bit क्योंकि थोड़ा सा ये loose है, but I loved how it looks. इसकी जो ये फॉइल प्रिंटिंग होती है, इनकी फैब एली की जो फॉइल प्रिंटिंग होती है, इट लुक सो रॉयल. सो आई गॉट दिस फॉर लाइक ऐसे जीन्स के ऊपर भी डाल लो, इट विल लुक अमेजिंग. नाउ कम्स माय रक्षाबंधन आउटफिट. फाइनली अ डे टू गेट रेडी. यस, मेरा तो मेकअप लुक भी तैयार है. उस दिन तो इतना तैयार होना है ना कि मतलब शादी करवा लो वो भी कर लेंगे उसमें. बस इतना तैयार होना है उस दिन, क्योंकि तैयार होने को नहीं मिला है. So what I got is this is the top for it, the crop top. Then where's the pant? This is the pant. Not much of it, just a plain maroon pant, and on top of it is a shrug. This is like, इसका हाथ किधर है? अरे गिरा. It's like this. It's a beautiful set. I'll put the picture here so that you can see how all these look. So this was my haul, for a very chota sa haul for kapdas. I'm gonna do one Amazon haul also because I'm checking out clothes on Amazon too. I've heard they have good stuff. So since we don't have access to Shein anymore, I think we have a lot of good alternatives here in India. I have 2 or 3 brands that I can recommend for you guys, which are as good price wise as Shein or Romwe or any other app, any other online shopping thing that we used to shop from, but I think they have a better quality. So I'm gonna make a video on alternative for Shein or Romwe. Let's just see when, because I am very sleepy. I need to sleep now. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, do check out these things. Everything will be linked down, you can check it out. I'll see you guys next time. Or please do not forget to like the video. अगर अच्छा लगा तो press the like button. अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो share it with your friends and family. And एक subscribe का button है उसको. And please recommend your friends to subscribe to the channel. Let's grow. We have 500 subscribers, not followers. We have 500 subscribers. Let's get to 1,000 soon. So till then, I'll see you guys next time with another video. Do let me know in the comment section how did you like the video and what do you want to see next. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, signing off.